Namaste people, it's Nilima. Today I'll be showing you how to convert your pendants into Mang Tika and Pasa. For this I have chosen here 3 pendants with 3 different type of lock patterns, and I'm sure you must have at least one of them. So this first pendant has a thin loop ring to insert chain. We'll need a detachable black string chain generally used for Mangal Sutra. We'll choose the hook string out of the 2. So you simply attach lock of string to pendant and your Mang Tika is ready. Now the second pendant here has a thick loop ring to insert the chain, and therefore this tiny lock can't go inside of it. For this we'll take one jump ring which are easily available at any Gota lace kind of craft store, and you don't need professional jewelry making equipment. You can open and lock back them using your fingers like this. So I will insert one jump ring into the pendant like this. And then lock the string just like before, and your Mang Tika will be ready to use. Now the third pendant here has a 2 loop ring to insert chain. We'll turn this into Pasa or side Tika. For this you'll need jump rings, pearl, golden or white, which will push into jump rings to make them look more pretty, one golden chain and one hook. First let's assume that this pink wool is our golden chain and it's locked into the pendant. So first we'll make a twist in middle and then we'll fold it over. We'll take jump ring, here I'm using TikTok clips, and attach this second string to pendant. Then we'll gather all 4 chains from middle and insert another jump ring and add a hook to it. To differentiate, I'm using here a safety pin. Now I will replace all hairpins to jump rings and adding one jump ring to hanging section as well. This way they all look even. Now insert chain with lock in between 2 loops of pendant, twist and fold it. Take one jump ring and attach and lock it into 2 loops. Gather all 4 chains from middle and insert one jump ring and add hook as well. I will stick bindi to hide the lock of chain here, and we are done. I'll also tell you one super hack to keep your Tika in place all day long. Cut a small piece of double-sided tape and stick it between forehead and Mang Tika, and it will stay in place even without hairpins, no matter how much you dance. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.